Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLNK. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy move here, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk about areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can continue to hold up here above the $3.50 mark. I use the word continue very deliberately because there were multiple times throughout the course of the day where the bears try to press down below there, both there and then later on in the afternoon right there. And to give credit where credit's due, so far so good. The bulls are doing a very good job of maintaining up above 350. Now, don't get me wrong, though. In the event the price falls below 350, am I saying the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that, but yeah, definitely going forward, if the price can manage to stay up above $3.50, that would certainly be the primary area of support. That would make the chart, appear the most healthy and really just the most attractive to, other potential traders. Next level of support after that would be the previous breakout point, and that sits down there around $2.70. So again, support-wise, near-term ideal level 350. Next level after that, previous breakout point, which sits down right down there around $2.70. Now, what about levels of resistance? First level I'm going to talk about is what I call the fun level of resistance, and that's because I'll be the first to admit it is fun to talk about testing previous highs and breaking into new highs, and that's what 470 does represent. I mean, if the price were to get up there and break to, through that is new highs that are being put in. But in many cases, as is the case here, usually there's an initial bridge that first needs to be cleared before you can go and start to talk about that fun resistance. And in this case, that, initial bridge is right here around $4.30. I mean, just going back through the history of the chart, you can see right there, directly rejected, and then a whole bunch of times this afternoon rejected by that level. So yeah, that's, 470 is indeed a level of resistance, but for whatever reason, as kind of random as it is, $4.30 is definitely, shown to be a level where, before you start talking about 470, that first, hurdle that needs to be cleared is right there at about $4.30. Anyway, you slice it though, very nice move today. Plenty of eyeballs. I'm sure we'll be watching it tomorrow. I know I will. So let's see how the week continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.